While a mysterious object with an odd orbit was spotted near Neptune, you may have missed the toaster that draws on your bread and atmospheric simulation pre-industrial revolution. Welcome to In Case You Missed It, where it's time to level with you. We were taught a lie. Remember that cute story about how the American continent was populated because of a land bridge between Siberia and Alaska? A new study says no. DNA does not back that up. That's huge. Imagine you could go back in time, maybe not to see the formation of continents, but just before the rise of factories during the Industrial Revolution. What shape was the atmosphere in then? CERN constructed a cloud chamber to replicate the environment before 1750 and used a lot of cool science to discover how cloudy it was, which is telling because our present-day clouds are formed in part by human pollution from sulfuric acid.
It's thought that the pre-industrial climate was much less cloudy than it is today.
But the experiments are finding that trees are pretty good at making clouds too. No pollution needed. Turns out there were more clouds back then than we'd thought. This data might help us better predict climate change. Plus, since cloud cover keeps the sun's rays off of Earth, making it cooler, let's get those few trees left working stat. And finally, if you've got some spare money just lying around, you should check out this Kickstarter for an app-connected toaster that lets you personalize greetings and drawings on your very own bread. With the exception of bribing kids to eat, because that makes sense and I will not judge it. We'd like to share our feelings on whether this is worth the money, but need to instead stage an intervention on Mr. Pay Bills here. If you need your fancy connected toaster to remind you to pay bills you're obviously ignoring to get a vanity kitchen gadget, you're doing it wrong. As someone who at one time couldn't afford even my own student loans, I can always spot them.